The legend of the mini flagship is a story that has haunted Nikon fans for years. For nearly a decade, the Nikon D500 stood alone as the undisputed king of the APS-C world, bridging the gap between enthusiast tools and professional powerhouses. When the mirrorless revolution arrived, many expected a direct successor, yet we saw the Z9, the Z8, and even the retro-styled ZF before any word of a true mini Z9. But the wait is finally ending with the leaks surrounding the Nikon Z90. This isn't just another camera. It is Nikon's strategic move to reclaim the APS-C crown from Sony and Canon by injecting flagship DNA into a DX format body. The heart of the Z90 is rumored to be a 33-megapixel DX format sensor. This resolution represents a Goldilocks zone for modern photography. It provides enough detail for heavy cropping, a vital necessity for wildlife and sports photographers who can't always get close to their subjects, while maintaining manageable file sizes and excellent low-light performance. However, the real breakthrough is the partially stacked architecture. Unlike traditional sensors that read data line by line, a partially stacked sensor significantly increases readout speeds. This technology, recently debuted in the Z6 III, virtually eliminates rolling shutter distortion and allows for a blackout-free viewfinder experience, giving photographers that instantaneous connected feeling previously reserved for top-tier professional bodies. Driving this hardware is the Expeed 7 processor, the same engine found in the flagship Z9. By utilizing this chip, Nikon is bringing elite AI-driven subject detection to a more accessible price point. The Z90 will be able to track birds, animals, vehicles, and humans with uncanny precision, utilizing 3D tracking that stays glued to a subject even in complex environments. This processing power also enables features like pre-release capture, where the camera buffers images the moment you half-press the shutter, ensuring you catch the exact millisecond a bird takes flight rather than the empty branch it left behind. In terms of raw speed, the Z90 is expected to be a powerhouse. Leaks suggest a mechanical shutter speed of 15 frames per second, which provides a reliable fallback for specific lighting conditions. However, the electronic shutter is where the camera truly shines, potentially reaching bursts of 40 frames per second in high-speed crop modes. This level of performance makes it a formidable tool for action photography, where the difference between a portfolio piece and a missed shot is measured in milliseconds. This speed is supported by a professional-grade autofocus system that inherits the deep learning algorithms of Nikon's most expensive cameras. The influence of Nikon's recent acquisition of Red Digital Cinema is also expected to manifest in the Z90's video capabilities. It is projected to offer oversampled 4K at 60 frames per second using the full width of the sensor, resulting in incredibly sharp footage with minimal noise. For those looking for cinematic flexibility, internal 10-bit N-Log and HLG support are expected, allowing creators to grade their footage professionally without the need for bulky external recorders. Thermal management is also a priority. The camera is rumored to feature a robust magnesium alloy chassis that acts as a heat sink, allowing for extended recording times that would cause smaller consumer cameras to overheat. Physically, the Z90 is designed to be a mini tank. Following the legacy of the D500, it is expected to feature full weather sealing, allowing it to operate in harsh environments from dusty sidelines to rainy forests. The ergonomics are strictly professional, featuring a dedicated AF on button, a sub-selector joystick for focus point navigation, and a top-plate LCD for quick setting checks. Dual card slots, one CFexpress Type B and one UHS-2 SD, ensure that professionals have both the speed they need for high bitrate video and the security of an instant backup. As we look toward the competitive landscape, the Z90 enters a fierce market against the Canon R7 and the Sony A6700. While those cameras are excellent, the Z90's unfair advantage lies in its build quality and the vast Z-mount ecosystem. It allows photographers to use elite S-line glass on a lightweight body, creating a perfectly balanced kit for long-reach wildlife work. Current projections point to a release in mid to late 2026, with a price tag between $1,600 and $1,900. While the wait may feel long, the combination of a high-speed, partially stacked sensor and flagship processing suggests that Nikon isn't just trying to participate in the APS-C market. They're looking to dominate it once again. For the D500 faithful, the king is finally coming home, and he has gone mirrorless.